Oh, they brought the leaf blower back. I'm literally talking. It's not really funny. What? Me. Basement? Probably nothing, because no one ever comes in here. Yeah, they added that, because well, nobody's really in here. You. 'Cause I already know how to do it. Damn. I'm in! Where's the monsters? Here's the blue one. Come on, come and zap me. Yes, I'm in the cage. Hey, I want to show you something. Hey, where are you at? Where are you at?
I'm over here! Over here!
I don't know where that at.
What are you talking about? I'm in the base still! I'm still in the zombie area! Come back!
I know you're in there.
Teach me the
You
way!
see me? You see me?
No.
You don't... I'm literally just tiny.
I hate you, I'm leaving.
No, I can teach you how to be tiny forever.
Ooh, I'm gonna crash out because it put me back in the portal again.
Go die to the monster.
Yes, Mom, I'll do it. No. No!
Good, you died. Now I need to die. Hold on.
Why? I already left the area. Hi there. How are you?
I don't know what to do.
You gotta die right here.
Do that. Need to die. I'm gonna show you. Stay big, okay?
Did you die?
Yup.
Get over here now.
I'm still tiny, bro. I forgot. I'm still tiny. Follow me.
How'd you do that?
Controller glitched.
You
I went high.
can't say that on YouTube.
Come here.
Trying my best.
Is this the end?
Right here?
Yeah. No. 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 Put no. Not in there, dingus. Not in there, dummy. Put your hand in there, over there, into the hole. And then put your other hand on the side. And then pull yourself in. You have to put your hand in the end of the base and put your hand on the outside of the other hand on the outside of the base.
What the
And put
fuck?
yourself in.
I'm trying my best, okay?
Put your hand in and put it deep in there. And then put your other hand on the side. Look at me. Do this. Look at me. Look at me, monkey.
It won't work.
Look, you see this hand right here?
No.
Follow my lead. Right here, you see this hand? I know you do. Put your hand in, and then turn it where it's deep in there. This is on the outside still. Put it on the side, and pull yourself in.
Okay.
Put your hand deep in there. Not that deep. Push yourself in.
I'm in it.
But you have to be tiny. You're tiny! Never mind, you're still...
Can I see the N-word?
No!
I was about to say I wasn't recording, but I forgot I'm recording on this thing.
Not that deep in. Oh, you're so annoying.
I'm not.
Oh my god.
I was doing it.
Yeah, that's not how you do it.
What the
I'm
fudge?
sweating.
How do you already sweat?
Because...
It's because you're gay and you like men. It won't work. I'm trying to pull myself.
I'm gonna be glad whenever it's July.
Why?
Now this stupid pride crap.
You like pride. You like pirate pride.
Pride, not gay pride.
You like pirate
I
pride.
don't support gay, lesbian, or bi.
What?
I only support straight.
Yep, you're gonna get attacked for saying that.
I can't get canceled. I don't have a YouTube channel.
It won't work, missus. I'm going in. Do I have to put my head in there?
Put your hand deep in there.
Do I have to put my whole body in there, like my head?
Yes.
Oh.
Put your... Woo! I'm right here. Look. Look at me. I'm right here. Do this. Hand right here. And other hand. In here.
So, like...
And then pull yourself in. Put your hand on the outside. Not that deep.
Oh!
A little more.
So, like, right here.
Put your hand deep. More, put the hand in. More to the right. Right there. And put your hand, other hand in and pull yourself. You did it! Now, come here. Do it again. Do it just like that. But you have
Want
to
to see
get in.
something?
Get in.
Huh? Huh? I got this. Ah! Ah! What the fudge? It's not working. Yeah. Stuck! What happened?
You're in. Let's go! Follow me, follow me, follow me!
Bro, we could've just went the other way.
No, but this was easier, quicker. Because you're slow. Follow me! Where are you going?
Right here. See?
Over here, over here, over here, hurry! Get in this corner. Stay in this corner, you're gonna have to die.
Yeah, I know that.
Get over here!
I'm trying to grab my drink. My Diet Dr. Coke.
There's a monster!
Hey, baby boy. How you been?
Let it kill us. Stay in that corner.
Ah, I'm running!
Don't run! Now follow me.
Oh, I know where to go.
Go
Stop!
here.
Stop teaching me this! I know!
You didn't know because you're slow.
I knew where to go at first, but I didn't know you could go through the end.
Yeah, you can.
I actually know how to do it without being glitched, without glitching my game. No way. Oh yeah, Taco Bell.
You suck.
You suck ass.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Okay, good.
It's one of those, it's one of those, like, housewives. That's what my mom watches. She watches Housewives. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Look at the big fire! Do you like the big fire? Well, my controller just disconnected. That's not fair. Michael said he was gay, but he was only 12 years old. Michael, can you say Pokemon? Can you say that, Michael? Say it.
Don't you do it.
You dum-dum, where are you going? It's this way.
I know.
Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Ah! The cheddars, I don't know. The cheddars,
Now every time you come back here, you'll be tiny.
Help me, Michael. Now let's go to monkey blocks.
I got a monkey.
But watch this first. It's fun. I fudged up. Well, come on, Michael. It's Bassy, but Monkey Town. That's where my viewers that watch me play Diddy. They love watching me play with Diddy.
Let's go to forest.
Why?
Because.
I haven't went to beach in a while. Let's go to beach. Actually, this is one of my favorites. Let's go up here. Skylands is one of my favorites, Michael. Come on.
Where are you at?
Skyland.
I ain't going to clouds.
I love this place. Wee! Come on, the Sky Island. Or whatever this place is called, I forgot.
I'm in canyons, dude.
Come back up. Fudge. Ow! Wee! Wee! I'll play my own game. We'll go through that hole right there. Oh. No, I fudged up. Let's go in the hole.
Where are you at?
I'm in the Sky Island. Him. This place is my favorite. I know how to control these gliders very goodly. Watch this, Michael. Be free, glider.
Why do people say
I'm back. Where are
Why do
you?
people say VR is really unhealthy for your eyes because it's bringing really close to your eyes?
What are you doing here?
But you can because you can get exercise from VR.
Come here, look. Check.
I'm not going to
What's
couch.
this? Oh, when I go to the new area I've been wanting to go to.
I absolutely adore that place.
I never went to it. My game's lagging. There we go. What is this? Which way?
Follow me.
Well, of course I'm following you. Is it this way?
Yep.
What's this place? I'm about to pee myself. Uptown, fuck it up. Uptown, fuck it up. That's what they say, right?
No, they say ow.
I fell at the...
No, you didn't.
Michael, I'm down here. I fell at the map. I fell at the map.
Where are you at?
On the bottom of the map.
Is your hand at least up here?
No, I'm out of the map. Like, I actually fell through the bottom of the map.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
I just told you! I fell down.
Can you see an egg?
Here, tell me if you can see this. I'm gonna put my distance.
What?
Tell me if you can see the egg. Can you see it?
No. Am I hot? Am I close or far?
Far. Here, I'm gonna restart my game.
No. I want to see you down there. Am I closer now?
You